Marks Reviews and Tutorials video. We've got Mrs. Marks Reviews and Tutorials here at the moment, and she's taking you around a few factors on this bike. Have a look at this playlist of bikes to see some different things. We've talked about water bottles, got some links in the description of that video, the hood of the bike, the seat positioning, and now she's going to talk about lighting.
Okay. Big factor in the safety for bike riders is the backlight. I'm pointing out this one here. You will see this particular backlight has a couple functions. Has the solid bright, the lower solid bright light, and then it has a flash. That's the one that I cycle on all the time. It's much easier seen by motorists and others. Now, this particular light I chose because it's a USB rechargeable. I'm going to take it off here and I'll show you how easy it is to take off. The one thing that I absolutely love about this is the rubber mount on this. It's really kind to your bike seat mount here. So there's no scratching. It's dead easy. You'll see here how easy it was just to put on, put off. This is your on-off switch here, okay, and then down the back here is where your USB point is. You just plug that in. It's super quick and it's charged often from flat. It'll charge within 30 to 50 minutes, and this light in its flashing mode, gosh, it would last about 6 to 10 hours on a flash mode.
So what we'll do, we'll have a look and find some either exactly the same or very similar lights that we pick out and like, both front and rear, and we'll put links in the description of this video so you can have a look at lights that we've had a look at and think are the right ones to get hold of.